And now let's move on to something that is part and parcel of every smart house, and that is a smart lock. Godrej comes up with one of the first ones that actually has all the right features that you want, and they've customized it totally for India. This is the Godrej Space Tech lock, and it's got all the things you really need. Biometrics, a passcode, and everything else. Let's see how this one works.
The lockdown might still be in place, but that's not stopping tech companies from launching innovative solutions that may be the need of the hour. Today, we have got our hands on this smart lock by Godrej to try, put to test and really see if it can lock us down. Godrej locks are known for their locking solutions and have been in the business for 122 years. They have now finally come out with one lock that can make us walk through the doors without a key. This is Space Tech, an electronic lock made in India that uses a passcode or biometrics to unlock. To turn the lock on, just slide your hand on the panel in front and the keypad comes to light. Now enter the password that you have set followed by the star key, and voila, the door will open. There's a small fingerprint reader on top. It's not the most convenient to reach, but it does the job as well. In case your finger is injured or you've forgotten the password, you can open the door with a manual key as well. But the idea here is to go keyless, and you can create up to a 12-number passcode and can even have a one-time password for temporary use. There is a privacy button on the back, which means if turned on, no one will be able to enter the door from the outside except by using the key. The biometric is simple to set up and can register multiple fingerprints of family members. It is a 360-degree fingerprint scanner, so it can recognize fingertips at any angle. The security in the lock seems pretty robust. If someone enters the wrong password many times or tries various fingerprints, or even tries to tamper with the lock itself, an alarm will start ringing. The lock works on 4 AA batteries, and in case you have come home after many months and the battery is low, you can quickly charge the lock with a power bank with a Type-C USB port, which is on the underside of this lock. Space Tech can pair with Godrej's accessories like the remote video door phone module. With a keyless gateway, Space Tech is as futuristic as its name makes it sound. Although ironically, the Godrej Space Tech is break-the-bank expensive at 43,000 rupees. But if you are looking at a futuristic security system, it might be time to open your doors to something like this.